大家好，我叫Moin。Shir e-commerce wala hamanian hawalai Jintin Shir Wawdu Yushan Shui Shui Chu Jan Diratian Gong ChatGPT Ishi Shweshtongan. Assalamu alaikum, this is me, Mani Commerce wala, and welcome back to day 2 challenge of learning languages. So today we are going to talk with ChatGPT in completely Chinese and learn how to speak Chinese. So that's it. We are going to do today, and I think so. You all will like it. So first of all, we will make the voice chat of Nia Hao.
Yeah. How did yesterday's Chinese practice feel to you?
Hi ChatGPT, how are you?
I'm doing well. How about you? And do you want to try a short Chinese greeting again?
Yeah, today I'm here to learn Chinese a little bit. Nia Hao Jiao Muin.
Okay,
Okay. So what should we learn
mm,
today?
great. Today, let's learn jiao, which means to be called. For example, wu jiao moi
Okay,
means
can you
my
tell me
name
that
is
how
Mo.
should can I say how are you in Chinese?
Ni hao ma,
你好吗？
ni hao ma.
你好吗？
Yeah, exactly. That means how are you?
Okay,
Want to try both in one breath?
yeah.
Ni hao,
你好，你好吗？
ni hao ma. Mhm. Nice.
你好，你好吗？
That's clear and mhm. Ni how
你好，你好吗
ni how ma. Yeah,
Okay,
sounds good.
and how to give your introduction like hello, how are you? My name is Muin and my
Uh,
spelling is Mown. So can you tell me word by word?
sure. Step by step. First say ni hao.
你好，
Next say ni hao.
你好，
Wo jiao.
吴
Wo jiao.
吴桥
Moin.
，Moin
Moin.
Moin，
Finally, if someone asks, how are you? You answer ni hao ma.
你好吗？
What me to. Mhm. Right. Nice and natural. Do you want a version with a little more polite tone?
Yeah, I would like to practice it 2 to 3 times.
Okay, sure. First, ni hao,
你好，
wo jiao,
吴桥，
ni hao ma,
你好吗？
right? Second time, ni hao, wo
你好，
jiao, moi,
吴桥，Moin，
ni hao ma.
你饱吗？
Third time, ni hao,
你好，
wo jiao,
吴桥，Moin，
moi, ni hao ma.
你好吗？
That's it, smooth and clear.
你好，我家，Moin，
Mm,
你好吗？
lovely. That sounded natural. You're ready for tomorrow's practice.
Okay, let's do it again and again, practicing.
Great. Say after me. Ni hao,
你好，我家，Moin，
wo jiao, moi, moi,
Moin，
ni hao ma.
你好吗？
Good. Again.
你好，我君，Moin，
Ni hao,
你好吗？我家，Moin，
wo jiao, moi, 你好吗?
你好吗？
One more time. Yes, that's it.
你好，我君，Moin，
Right.
你好吗
Perfect. You've got the rhythm.
Okay. 你好，我君，Moin，你好吗
Excellent. That was smooth and confident.
你好，我君，Moin，你好吗
Nicely done. That's a natural flow.
Okay. So, am I speaking and pronouncing it right?
Very close. Just keep knee flat and don't rush how. Otherwise, great.
Okay. Ni hao, wo quan, moin, ni hao ma.
Excellent. That's clear and well paced.
Ni hao, wo quan, moin, ni hao, wo quan, moin, ni hao ma.
Try not to blend Wu Jiao into one sound.
Uh,
Give
Ni hao,
one.
wo quan, moin,
Mhm.
ni hao ma.
Yeah, that pacing works much better.
Okay. So ChatGPT, our time ends now. Now we will meet again tomorrow and we'll talk again in Chinese. So till that, take care and bye bye.
Take care and see you tomorrow.
Ni hao, wo chen moi, ni hao ma. So
Ni
viewers,
hao, Wu Jiao, moin, ni
ni
hao
hao,
ma.
wo chen moi, ni hao ma.
Perfect.
Okay, so here we learned how to speak our name and ask how are you in Chinese. Now we will meet again in our day 3 and continue our language learning challenge. So till that, take care and bye bye.
Take care.